So you might be in a situation where Snapchat, every time you open it, it just ends up closing by itself. So maybe you end up opening up this application like this and it ends up just immediately just closing every single time you do it, or maybe it gets stuck on the Snapchat logo. Well, the first thing you may want to do, as I mentioned before, is just make sure that your iPhone or Android is not almost out of storage. If you make your way over to your storage settings of your device, you may want to make sure that you're not almost out of storage. Most of the time you end up having this issue, it's due to that type of situation. So that is pretty much the very basic thing I can probably recommend, just making sure that is not the specific situation you're in. Now, if that doesn't end up working, you may want to make sure your internet connection is good, making sure Wi-Fi, data, whatever you're connected to, making sure that is solid in that specific situation as well. And another thing you may want to do is just go ahead, and this is probably the thing that's going to fix it for a lot of people, is to make your way over to your app store like this, go and click on search, and just search up Snapchat. This is a thing that can probably end up fixing it for a majority of people out there as well. If there is an update available for Snapchat, just go ahead and update that application, and that will probably end up fixing it for you as well. So personally, that is the thing that fixes it for me, and if that fixes it for you, then you're pretty much good to go. Once it's installed, just go ahead and open up that application, and that is pretty much all you have to do. Now, let's say you do that and for some reason that's still not working. Well, finally, the other thing I would recommend doing is going through and searching up like Snapchat down or something like that on Google. And you can go ahead and find a website that shows you what is down and what is up. And right now, Down Detector is probably one of my favorite websites. So what I do is I just go on Down Detector. And what I can do here, you can go through here, but what I typically do is just click on their main website. And here you can go and scroll through all the major websites and see what is down. And if a lot of people are, saying it's down, it'll usually be number one. If Snapchat has a widespread issue, it's going to be one of the first two. So typically you don't have to scroll this far. If it's down here, then it's probably not down. But if it's up there, like one of the top ones, then that's probably why Snapchat is not working for you, because it's not working for anybody. So you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix it. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.